Good evening everyone, and welcome back to Hexmer. Today I'm going to be sharing some amazing concepts with you in a bit of a rush presentation. This presentation was created in 3 days and I've had 4 weeks to create the trailers, which is lucky because they look absolutely crazy. Today I'm showing you off 4 concepts. On May 14th I introduced Hexmer PC concept, Hexmer tab concept and the Hexmer monitor concept. And on July 22nd, I announced the Hexmer Speaker. Today, we are pushing all of these devices into the 2nd generation, starting with the Hexmer Speaker 2nd Gen.
I just wanna lie, yeah, not a little bit, nah. Who did it? Me. I just wanna lie, lie. I just wanna lie.
This Hexmer Speaker features an all-new design. It features a 4-inch curved touch display, and it runs Hexmer OS audio, where you can check the weather, take phone calls, and best of all, play audio on a speaker. It also features surface sensors and audio tests automatically. But why? Well, the device is actually made out of metal, and it has no vents, which means it has to vibrate surfaces to create sound. What if it's in the air though? Well, why would it be in the air? And 2, the speaker vibrates itself. This allows it to be waterproof and allows for wireless charging via a Qi wireless charging puck, which allows you to get this animation. So that's the Hexmer Speaker 2nd Gen. But what else goes on the desk? Well, your PC and monitor. Introducing the 2nd generation of Hexmer PC and Hexmer monitor. Here they are. Let's start by talking about the PC. It's even more compact and features even more capability, as it has more I/O, better dual chips, better GPU, more cooling, and let's start with the I/O. It features 3 magnetic mini ports and 1 magnetic strip port. It also features an audio jack. The shape is going from a cylinder to a cuboid, and it's even smaller than last gen. Is going from 19.7 centimeters to just 12.8 centimeters. It's surprising seeing as it has even better power. Now, let's talk about that power, or as you might say, performance. It features dual Hexmer PC 2 chips, and these allow for triple performance from last gen on a single chip. Now imagine doubling that. It also features up to 512GB of RAM, which is going up from the 32GB on last gen, which means that you can open tons of Chrome tabs. Now, let's talk about graphics. It supports dual 8K 60fps monitors. It supports quad 4K 120fps monitors, and it supports dual 1440p 240fps monitors. These are some crazy specs, boasting features such as 240Hz and HDR10. Now, we have another feature. This PC is also expandable. These upgrade modules work as virtual machines, where you can send processes, send rendering, and you can send high-intensive apps, which allows for better performance on your computer. It's also completely wireless and works via Bluetooth, and you don't even need to plug it in, because it charges with Qi wireless charging, and it features a support for an optional charging bases. A single Hexmer PC supports up to 8 bases. Dual Hexmer PCs support 18 bases, and triple Hexmer PCs support 30 bases. So that's the Hexmer PC 2nd generation. Now let's talk about the monitor. It also boasts an insane spec sheet, and let's start by talking about resolution. On the last generation, we had support for 4K. On this generation, we have support for 8K. In terms of frames per second, you can get up to 120Hz on the last gen, and on this generation, you can get 240Hz. And in the colour space, we are going from P3 wide colour up to HDR10. And in terms of display technology, we are moving from LCD to OLED. In terms of ports, we are going from 2 USB to 7 magnetic mini ports. And it also features support for the new larger stand, which has tilt availability. It has smaller 12mm bezels. And it has a larger, wider display, going from 26 inches to 32 inches. So that's Hexmer PC and Hexmer Monitor 2nd generation. These are absolutely insane and feature mind-blowing specs. Now, let's talk about Hexmer Tab 2nd generation. This is even better than ever, and features an all-new refined design. Here it is. This generation features huge refinements and some amazing upgrades. Let's start by talking about performance. We are introducing the Hexmer Tab 2 chip, which is 2 times faster than last generation. It supports up to 32GB of memory, and in terms of storage, it has up to 2 terabytes. It also runs Hexmer OS Mobile, which is still in development and is expected by 2023. It also features a magnetic back, which allows support for the Hexmer Home dock, which is also backwards compatible. This allows a wired connection to your home, which allows you to control everything from a single app. It also features the same speaker technology as the new Hexmer Speaker, for even better audio, and it's also now waterproof. It features even thinner display bezels, going to only 6mm. That is tiny. It also features an upgraded resolution, going from 1080p to 4K. So that's Hexmer Tab 2nd generation, and it's even better than ever. Now, let's talk about Hexmer Website 4. I would like to thank you for your support and amazing feedback. It's clear that you absolutely love the overhaul, and after 3 weeks of development, I managed to build it from scratch, with the unified design, all new services menu leading to the new services pages, and you can now download wallpapers designed by Hexmer. And that's what this trailer is going to show you about. So that's all for the Hexmer website. Now, let's take a trip. Welcome to San Hallimano. This is your second peek at the project, as I gave you a sneak peek of the early concept version in February. And today I'm showing you the official San Hallimano. This looks great and features many refinements, but there's still need for clouds, and building models need to be completed, and branding billboards need to be set up. But all is going well so far. That's Hallimano. They were just a few small updates. So that was our April 16th event. It featured 4 next-gen concepts, a San Hallimano update, graphics boost, and, best of all, thanks for watching. I hope to see you soon. Bye everyone.